Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we are going to check out a healthy and a delicious recipe of oats green gram pancakes or the Oats Moong Chila. Before we start, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the Food Monologues channel and hit the bell icon so you will be notified about all the new recipes. So let us check out the ingredients without further ado. Ingredients are green gram 1.5 cup, oats half cup, coriander leaves half cup, curry leaves 8 to 10, water 2 cups, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, green chilies 2 in number, ginger half inch, regular salt half teaspoon, rock salt half teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon. In the mixer jar, add the coriander seeds, add the ginger, curry leaves, sprouted green gram, green chilies, oats, sugar, salt, coriander leaves, water, grind it into a fine paste. This is the consistency in which the batter should be. Heat a non-stick pan. Add 2 dollops of batter at the center. With circular motions from the center towards the outer side, roll out a perfect pancake or a chila. Cook it covered for 2 to 3 minutes. Grease the upper end of the chila or the pancake. Lift it up. You can accompany this with the spicy tomato ginger chutney. Coming up is the recipe for the tomato ginger chutney, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Let us check out the recipe for the tomato ginger chutney. Ingredients for the chutney are chopped tomatoes 1 cup, onions half cup, groundnut 2 tablespoons, jaggery 1 tablespoon, green chilies 2 to 5 depending on your spice level, coriander seed 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 inch, curry leaves 8 to 10, roasted chana dal 1 tablespoon, rock salt 1 teaspoon, kokum concentrate 1 teaspoon. You can add tamarind or lime juice also. I have also added 2 red Kashmiri chilies and half cup of shredded coconut. You may require 3/4 cup of water. You may add more or less as per the consistency of chutney that you like. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onions and saute. Once the onions have browned, add the ginger. Saute till the ginger is cooked. Now add the green chilies and saute. Add the coriander seeds and the tomatoes. Give it a nice mix. Cook covered for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tomatoes are softened, roasted chana dal and saute again. Add groundnuts. Give it a nice mix. Now add the jaggery and the kokum concentrate, curry leaves and the coconut. Now give it a nice mix. Now shut off the gas and allow it to cool. Once it cools, add half cup of water and blend it into a fine paste. Now remove the mixture into a serving bowl. In a tempering vessel, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add the mustard seeds, the cumin seeds, asafoetida, turmeric, curry leaves and the red chilies, and a little bit of chili powder. And now add this tempering to the chutney and give it a nice mix. And your spicy tomato ginger chutney is ready. If you like the recipe, give the video a like. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.